Imagine my utter joy when I saw this video right after seeing this video. But before I continue, ensure that you like, follow, share, comment. I want to hear from you. I want to create a community of well thinkers. And we can have a little fun, don't it? But again, Geoffrey find it. This man is a content creating genius. And sir, if you want a squire, I am here, humbly requesting to learn from the master. The man find it again. As to the female, hey, man out there will do it. Man out they can do it and are willing to do it and want to do it and will do it and do it. So if she can find that man, make she do her thing. Me and you may not be able to do it, nor want to do it. That's fine too. Everybody have to do what they have to do. And everybody, as them say, every stick of them who a bush or every who of them tick a bush. Remember how we go, but one out of the two. But hey, those are my thoughts. What are yours?